Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can top up Pandabuy with PayPal. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Pandabuy. So the first thing that we're going to do guys is make sure that we are logged into our account and then go ahead and in this search bar, for example, search for any product. So I'm gonna search for shoes and then click on search. You can also search by images if you want by clicking on this icon and then upload the image that you want. Go ahead and click on search and then wait for the results to appear. So right now search in this list for any item that you want. And for example, we're gonna choose this one, click on it. And right now we are in the page of the item. So right here, we can choose the size, the color, the quantity that we want. And if you scroll down right here, you're going to find two options, buy now and also add to cart. Click on agree. And now, for example, we're going to add it to the cart. So firstly, we need to select a category, for example, this one, and then add it to the cart. And as you can see, guys, now we have this message that we added the product to the cart. So in order to go to the card, just go to the top right corner and click on your profile image. And under it, you're gonna find user center, order, warehouse, parcel, wallet, and logout. Go ahead and click on user center. And right here, you're gonna find card. Once you click on card, you're gonna find the items that are in your card. So for example, I'm gonna select this one and click on submit. Once you do that, make sure that you click I have read and agreed. And then after you submit your order, you will get the add payments method menu. From there, you can add your PayPal. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.